Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is Forex trading. So let's get started. Very quickly is not going to help you because you don't know why that strategy didn't work, and you don't know why it will work. So the best thing is the test of time, the test of trade, and also using one strategy in one day's time is not going to tell you anything, because one strategy may work for because the market change every day. So what you want to find a strategy which works for longer term, and for that it takes some time. So that could be 1 week, that could be 2 weeks, that could be 1 month, that you stick to one strategy and use that strategy only. The third item I would say is your dedication. So how motivated you are, how serious you are about trading with Forex. Do you really want to get into this and use it as your side income? At easytradingschool.com, we want to have traders and followers and subscribers who want a daily income on the side, small income, but something on the side, because I do not expect my viewers to leave their job, and I don't even ask them, and I don't recommend that at all. So my best advice and recommendation would be to continue whatever business that you do, continue doing whatever job you do, and start on the side and start small and continue that over a long period of time, and then and only then you start to think about quitting whatever you do full time and then coming to Forex full time. So dedication is very important. I know there's very little time and very little energy left after having worked all day. I used to do that myself. But you have to be dedicated, and if you want to be about serious about this, if you want daily income, you have to put in daily effort. And by that, I mean about learning, doing your research, and also trading. Okay, so another key item I can tell you about is focus. So when you want to do anything in life, now this is in general, you want to focus. I know for a fact that when I was learning different, say, hobbies or whatever I was doing, if I was not paying attention, if I was thinking something else and doing what I was asked to do, I wasn't excelling in that area. So focus, it means block out all the distractions, block out all the notifications, block out all the Facebooks, and block a lot of notifications that are coming. Watch this or check this, or unsubscribe to a lot of the spam emails which are coming in place to on your email and your phone. Block out all these notifications from Facebook Messenger. So you gotta block out all these things so things don't annoy you, because our mind, the way it works is that when we're working on something, we have to do one thing only. Because I know there's a thing called multitasking, but to be honest, multitasking is a fake thing, which really doesn't help with productivity, because you cannot do many things at the same time. If you are in a learning stream and mind thought, you have to absolutely focus on that thing. Otherwise, you're not going to learn. If you've mastered something, okay, then you can do it. Then you can multitask a bit. It's like driving. When you are a new driver in the seat, you can be talking with your passengers about your vacation while you're driving, because then you're going to have a crash. Over time, when you've learned driving, then then you don't have to think. You're not in the learning phase. So then you can drive and talk, and you can turn the radio to a channel that you want. So you can do all of that after you learn. So when you're learning something new, focus is a key important thing. So block out everything, set a dedicated time when you're gonna sit down and you're gonna learn and start trading, and then focus, focus, and focus. Now after this, I come to my next point, and it's probably another very, very important point. Is about organizing yourself. Okay, so by this what I mean is that if you we all have the same time in the world, but some people use it better than some other people. Some people kind of waste it away. So if you organize yourself in order to save time, you can actually create more time for whatever you want to do, including forex trading. So that means organize when you have to do doctor's appointment. Start using calendar. I use that for myself, so that way you wouldn't have to think and store information in your mind, because you have your calendar. So when you wake up in the morning, open your calendar and see what are the things you need to do today. And also when you have some appointments, when you have some things that you need to do, including let's say you're going to set time between 1 to 2 every day. You're gonna do some trading, that's 1 hour, and then you can put that on your calendar. If you don't have daily time, you can do it every second day, but stick to it. So organize yourself, and also use calendar. It's very, very important. Okay, so my next point is expect the least. So by that what I mean is when you start with forex, don't expect that you're gonna start making money very quickly, because that's not gonna happen. If you do have winning trades, you will also have a losing trade, and then again go back to my first point, is not to get disheartened and continue. So but at the same time, don't expect that you're gonna be making a lot of money very quickly. It's not gonna happen. So you have to put in many months and weeks and months over time, and then you can have a small return. Then you have a small return, and then you have a small overall profitability. It takes time. So don't expect yourself to be rolling into cash and piles of cash because you see a lot of big numbers. A standard lot is $100,000, and then don't get too much excited about how much you're gonna make. Don't start telling your friends about, hey, that now you're a trader. Don't do all of that. Be modest. Don't expect too much, and just see how it goes. Take your time, take step by step, and when you are confident, and trust me, when you are really confident, when you get there, you will become confident, and then you can say, okay, yes, I am a trader, and you can say, yes, I'm a successful trader. You can make those remarks, because if you make those remarks before you've accomplished anything, you may not get there, because you think you're already there and you wouldn't do the work. So don't expect a lot of things. Don't make any statements before you have actually done it. So so this is just something that I would have done in the past, that as soon as I start something, I think I have it, and then the reality is I didn't. So the same goes for you guys. If you have a habit of telling all your friends what you're up to, and that's not gonna work, because then you're not gonna do the work. So I think I will shorten this one until here, and then my next question will be, who is using forex? So who's using forex? The banks, companies who are exporting and importing, because they have to pay what they buy to other countries. Governments use foreign currencies to pay off debt. For example, let's say if there's a South Africa, if they take a loan from IMF, they would receive that loan in US dollars, and they would have to pay that back in US dollar as well. Individuals, so if you're traveling or whatever, Then there's retail traders, that includes me and yourself. Then there's investors who buy and hold on to a currency until they've got a better rate, and then they sell off and they make tons of money. Hedge funds. So these are the investment portfolio funds which use hedging technique to buy and sell forex into different contracts. Okay, so my next question is the advantages of trading forex. So plus sign. The advantages could be that it's probably the biggest trading industry with over $5 trillion volume. So did I say daily? Yes, daily. That is a lot of trading, and there's a lot of money to be made. Second advantage of trading forex is trade whenever you want, 24 hours a day. And that is great news for some people, because some people have a job in the daytime and they can't really trade at different late hours. So this is very open for everybody. You can wake up in the middle of the night and trade JPY and USD. So happy days. My another point is easy access from anywhere. So you could be sitting anywhere and you could be making money. So this is the best business which I found so far, that I could be anywhere. I can buy and sell currency, and then I can do it on my phone, I can do it on my laptop, and you can do the same. So there are fewer currencies to focus on as opposed to millions of stocks. So there are 7 or 8 major currencies in this world: USD, Euro, JBP, JPY, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, Swiss francs. So there are only few currencies that you need to focus on, and this cuts down a lot of confusion and brings focus on what you're doing. And then once you know the currency pairs, let's say I'll take an example of euro. So euro to USD, euro to JPY, euro to CHF. So now your base currency is euro, and once you gotta hang on one currency, then you can also understand that if euro USD is getting weak, then there's an effect of USD JPY in effect. So you can use that to your benefit, and you can quickly make a scalping strategy to use those pips and also profit from that. So we will talk more about that in different topics. So another advantage of trading in Forex is trading volatility. So by that what I mean is there's a lot of volatility in Forex. It's always going up and down, and which is very good. You can make a lot of money with that if you make sure you use stop loss. I think I've mentioned that in one of my other videos. Always use stop loss, because the currency can really devalue for a long period of time, and then if you've got your money in there, you're gonna have a huge loss. So make sure you use a stop loss, and that's it. You continue to trade and make that loss back. So this concludes my tutorial and the question on what is Forex trading and why do Forex trading. I've covered, I'll just highlight this section, maybe also make it red, and you can download this file if you wish from easytradingschool.com. We've covered who is using Forex, we've covered advantages of trading Forex, and this is a great opportunity for people looking for side income or working from home. This involves no product, no customers where they will return your product or they want a refund, and then there's no shipping costs. You're not sending anything, you're not receiving anything. End of story. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do subscribe to our channel. my channel, and this way you will also get updates and new videos whenever they come out. And thank you so much for watching. Do watch my other videos and like and subscribe. If you have any question, just email at contact@easytradingschool.com. And lastly, I would like to mention, if you want to join my course, there's a pre-enrollment discount for 50% off until I close off that pre-enrollment, and then you will have 50% off. I have 5 courses laid out, and I talk about different things, and it's paid content, but it's totally worth your money, and I really hope to see you in the course. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Keith,
See
for
you.
great free
Bye.
before and free after sign up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.